Hey guys, look what came in the mail today. My Tesla wall connector. See, this was a product that I ordered back in May, and it finally arrived. It took a while because I ordered the black wall connector, which is currently out of stock, but hopefully Tesla will be putting more back in stock. So, without further ado, let's start unboxing this. So, there's the box, and let's see if there's anything that we... Okay, let's cut this tape here. Okay. Seems to be sealed up. Alrighty. Been really waiting for this for a while. Let's lay this back down. Let's take a look at what we have here. Oh, beautiful. See, I'm currently in the process of getting the wall connector installed in my condo parking spot, which is going to be really exciting because then I won't have to be using superchargers and other electrical charging stations to charge my vehicle. But I can't wait till I get this installed. Okay, so let's look at some of the stuff it comes with. Okay, so this must be the manual. Okay, that's very nice. Let's lay that down here. And this must be some of the tools required for installation. Okay, that's very nice. Okay, this must be something required for the installation here. And under here we have, I guess, more stuff required for the installation. I'm going to leave everything sealed up in the packaging because I'm having a certified Tesla electrician come install this. So I'll let him do all the unwrapping, but I'll show you guys. Oh, this is the black right here. Oh my god, it's pretty heavy. Never knew it was that heavy. So I guess, yeah, and here's the wire. I got the 24-inch wire. Oh, that's nice. Really nice. And this cost me, this wall connector cost me about 650 bucks Canadian. That's about 500 bucks US. And you can currently order this online at the Tesla website. Delivery may take a while, but when it comes, you'll probably be excited as I am. Oh, this is wonderful. Wonderful. Okay. So let's put everything back in the box. And very exciting. Alrighty. Alright. Okay. And this wall connector allows you to charge your Tesla at the highest rate and the fastest rate. A lot more faster than the traditional mobile connector. And yeah, I can't wait to get this installed. I'll try and do a video of installation, and we'll see how that goes. More Tesla products and unboxings coming soon. I'll see you guys later. Thank you, and have a nice day.